We've just like pulled our public footpath, walking through some woods,
We've
seeing
been
what.
driving around looking for little public footpaths, but it's awkward because you see them, but there's nowhere to park next to them.
And then where there is nearby, there's no public footpath. You cannot win.
I think this is that little same stream what's running down from now where we've found all the fly patches. Just further up at Eastgate.
Oh, yeah, I think it is. Huh? I'm just looking at that split in that tree, but
a few further down will be from it. We did come here once before, but it was like at the back end of the year, wasn't it?
yeah, like late summer. We found a few nests, but we just weren't at the right time of the year, so we decided to come down
Did we
here
not
this
find
year.
something we want shove? It was a gold crest. There was a little nest in it.
Aye.
A few nests, didn't we?
We should be looking in these ferns, like on the way down the path, shouldn't we? It's good enough doing here. Right, I'll put the camera on.
There's a big river down the bottom and all, isn't it? This is more like a stream at the start.
Aye, the stream runs in the river.
There's a big river down there. What did we say on the river the last time? Was it?
There was sandpipers not doing there. Aye, we'll have a look. Well, we found a little fairy garden. Got a couple of mallards on the river there. There's a might have there.
This is a bit river where we've seen little sandpipers in it.
Aye.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Should have had chicks, so either something happened to them.
Ah, you would have thought it would have this too.
So we'll have a look up here.
Here.
Where?
There's a bird up there. It looks like something, a fly pattern I just
Oh, there.
it's gone.
Aye.
The way the black and came do. It's that quick I couldn't see properly, but now just the way it was kind of flying.
I'm trying to get out the light because that's all I can see is the light. Even if I've seen the bird, I wouldn't be able to make out what it is. Looking into the sun.
Just that quick. A little bit too quick.
Did it go that willow type stuff or
I think it went over here, you know.
much further? We'll have a look around anyways. There's a meal there, meal chopping.
You thought to see, but you can go. Seems alarmed.
There is another one.
Seems a bit alarmed, like.
I'm just wondering, you know, when that big owl box there, is it out?
What, the owl?
Aye, it might be in the trees. How they were alarmed as well, walking up. Probably like. There's like little owls and tawny owls. That's got good camouflage. I put the camera on, so I've spotted a blackbird's nest, yeah?
Blackbird sitting on them. He's sitting on little chicks. Because otherwise it would have...
Would have jumped by, no, like, wouldn't it? Aye.
Would have been away, wouldn't it? That's there's your phone again. I will leave.
Bit of a nest there, but it looks old. Looks very old. Maybe old blackbirds. We haven't seen any flycatchers yet. But it still is only about the 20th. No. 21st or something of May. I thought it might still be in here because it was the back end of May when I found them last year. Right, well, got that hole up there. I think it's a starling's nest because I can hear them. I'm going to set the camera up for 10 minutes on it. See if we can get the bird flying in. Because the chicks sounded quite big. I can still hear them a little bit. It'd be hard to pick them up on this camera, like. Right. We've just videoed the starling gone into that hole there. It was feeding the chicks, wasn't it?
Yeah, look, this is why we used to call them stinkers. Kids, this is probably why.
There's not like giving the nest away. There's more crap down there than what you'd find outside a kestrel's nest. We've seen the bird fly to the hole and fly away, like, we hope we got it on camera. Aye. We're going to have a good scrattle and see what else we can find. Loads of birds. I put the camera on because I've seen an oyster catcher get up and run over here as I came over the hill. Still running away. I'm going to check them buildings too as well. Seen roughly where it was. I was a couple of hundred yards away, that's only trouble, there's a lapwing just lifted from over there. I should have been looking. It's flying now. We've got this clear patch here. And I'm sure it was just around here somewhere. I'm leaving the camera on so I can look back on it because the camera catches what my eyes miss sometimes. It's alarmed that I'm here. Because they've got some brilliant camouflage. It's not happy that I'm here. If I can't slow enough on the camera, I will. You got all these speckly rocks. And the birds didn't even build a nest, you know, so it's like hard enough to start with. Just a scrape. I wasn't too pleased. There she is. It was roughly this area. Right, I'm gonna get away from here because I'm not sure. So let's just give us a shoot there. There's something over here on the bond, I think. The buildings. Stock dove just blasted out. It was all grey like a stock, grey blue like a stock dove.
Nowadays, it's got a proper loft in yesterday. We opened the loft.
Oh, right. You see the droppings on there.
Up there.
Strange.
I imagine it's going to be up there.
Someone's been climbing up, haven't they?
It looks out there.
Aye.
That's from Jar's corner. Flute, a swallow, and it's half kind of built there. There.
Oh, right.
But if you go and run it, see it's just half built up.
Oh, it's not much of a mess, really.
In the last few weeks, so.
Aye.
It's definitely a one building, because it's where it flew exactly from there, you know what I mean?
Aye.
Not that it's look like it. But I don't want further away, probably build up the legs, and it could still be,
Aye.
it could still be a good one.
Aye, definitely. Piggy about that. Pigeon stocked up type thing. It must have come with a loft.
I can't see it, that's anywhere else.
Aye.
I wonder what Alice is. And these
Oh,
containers
yes.
and that. Like all half full. You're not supposed to be in there.
No, it's all abandoned, like they've just left it, haven't they?
Next in the corner might be a range, and I can see.
Oh, it is, aye. I hear what run these places now for rats. Don't you think that gets me in here?
That's normally like where there's food door, isn't it?
Aye. Oh, come on.
Look like in a range.
It is a range, like, it's probably a good one as well, like, you know, when it's only got a small door there.
Aye, that's stopped door. Must be up there.
Aye. Someone's been in trying to climb up. If I had my torch in my pocket, I probably would have popped up, because it will be close by in there, not like just on the edge somewhere.
You've got to put a lock hatch on. You can see it's open. Can you see the hinges?
Aye, oh, aye.
Right on this side.
Oh, right, aye, someone's just opened it and left it open. It's got a lid on. Oh, nothing to climb up. Just to stand on here and have a
You're
look.
not going to see any of them.
Aye.
Will you?
Right, we'll just come into this one.
I do know what this little room's been. It's got an old fireplace, an old oven.
Aye.
But it doesn't look big enough to be like a
Like livable.
living area.
Aye. I always take my time when I come in places like this because I'll blast through.
It's the old like.
Yeah.
The rope hanging on a beam. I wonder if anybody's like doing the selling.
Jack Rose nests have been coming down the chimney.
What else is there? Something that you know.
No,
Should we go back round it? See what's.
aye. Can you get into this next room?
What?
Can you get into these?
I didn't think so. That one, there's a doorway around there, but we must have passed that one, the back.
Well, myself, huh?
So we're going back round that way.
I'll see what we can see in there.
I think, and then that's just the other one, what was.
Aye. I'm going to put the camera back on because we're at the door. Just in case I'll blast through as I'm walking on. It's a bit unsafe in here. These settings are out. Can the old pile of sticks come out of there somewhere? Right, we finally found it.
Took some time, no?
Aye, oyster catcher.
Once you see it, looks like you stand right out.
Aye.
But honestly, the constant just guided away.
Aye, it was over there, wasn't it? It was like tricking us sort of, as usual. There's more than one pair on here as well, like.
It's like just.
Aye. Good enough some eggs. It's a oyster catcher, just in case you didn't catch it.
Garrett.
Aye.
Gotta get back.
Aye. Right, we're just walking out of these buildings here. It's an old abandoned place. We've seen swallows flying in and out. I did see a couple of stingers and all. I could hear the young ones from back there. You were going to have a look.
I'm always going to get this like this thing. My wife can feed them.
Aye.
It's private.
Well, it's old abandoned, isn't it? It is private, but
Like Zala went as well.
I've just seen a swallow coming out that middle one. I think, no, it's not a swallow, it's one of the trees with a black and white thing. Right, see if there's a...
Came in the yard 3 times.
I'll see if there's an easy one.
That's fine.
I can hear stinkers. Just run there.
Yes, the swallows just building.
Oh, right, just on there.
It must just be the time frame, you know, there mustn't. Because everyone with funds just been on building.
Oh, it's just getting cooking. We'll check out the other ones just for the fun of it. We might find a good one. I know the birds at different stages. Yeah, can you hear them? Stingers. Oh, yeah. It's here. Am I hearing things?
I don't know, there's a crap in there, but kind of can help.
I don't know if it's in the pipe. I can hear them up above us. Yeah, it's in that pipe. It's 100% in that pipe. That's stinker. Stolen nest. Alright, it's gonna be just on the bend. Someone's been up and looked, mate. I'm gonna have a look in a minute. I'm gonna check it out. Because I can stand on there and get the camera over the top. Someone's done that to check it. Aye. Good one. I know it's got a bunch of young ones in there, but might be to see something. Got the camera on the tripod. Right, give us a look on these little bushes. You'll never know.
That's all these birds in.
There you go, on them.
Structure.
Alright, give us a look. Alright. Oh, just to show everyone. No, it's empty completely. I can get in this one. Just to see if there's out up here. There are wrens, it is. Oh, a bit of a nest up there. Not sure what that one is. But we'll have a look on camera. It's a little bit old. I'll have to come up with this wrens and all. Built on top of an old swallows. Check out the next ones. Oh, what's that? Rabbit. Right, I've just put the camera back on there because that looks like an owl egg. Aye. It's round and it's like really thin. It's not like a duck where a duck would be thick. It's a really thin shell and something's getting into it and eating it from the outside. Looking at it.
Might be a little top in this, might be a hole in it
Aye.
somewhere. That was big,
Definitely more round than a duck. You know, it's not a duck or a goose. It's like too small for a goose, too round.
chestnut tree, you know, and I like a sweet.
It does. Ah, you can see the leaves on it. Makes you wonder where it came from.
There's the whole chestnut, a conker, is it?
Right. I can see a squirrel's tree up there, or what looks like one. I wonder if there's any holes in the trees. But it could have been where it's hatched, and it's only like halfway blocked through. I'll have a look. We've got this up here. I'm just not 100% sure. I cannot see with my eyes properly. I thought it was a... I can see moss and that, and then I can see a branch woven around it. I can... I'm sure it's gonna be the gold crest, but it's a bit too high. It's about 15 foot on them higher branches. If it hadn't been on the lower branches, I could have looked at it, but it's on the next step. Right, it's on that branch there, but it's way too high. Yeah, we'll just keep looking. I'll put the camera back on. It's another little fairy garden. Right. I can just under this tree. The tree probably just come new a couple of years ago, but this looks like it's been here a long time, doesn't it? Yeah. Good the way they put them. Building houses for the fairies. Been an old blackbird's nest there. There's a nest in that nest box there. We'll just kind of get to it like. It's about 20 foot up the tree or something. But keep looking. Right, we've come, we'll search all that wood, we went all the way along.
You know, why I only planned on come down here for like a little while. We've ended up being here for 2.5 hours.
Aye.
Why?
Found quite a few, seen quite a lot, so it's been a good video.
We've found eggs, we've found things building. Blackbird white would have been sitting on chips.
Aye.
But no, that's been done.
No, it's
Dan's on for mine, so now we turn back. Could probably walk like miles.
Aye.
Like I say, one day just come here, just like specifically and just walk up this spot.
Aye, well, we've got plenty of time, a good few hours to waste. Aye, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.